Today, we're diving deep into a trade that could seriously boost your bank account. I'm talking about a potential 76% annualized return in just 1 week. That's not just a number, it's a game changer. This is one of those stocks and setups that you don't want to miss. I'm going to break down every step, no fluff, just straight facts. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about the stock itself. You need to be bullish on the stock. Markets can be a roller coaster, so it's important to have confidence in the underlying asset. Think of it like picking your team before the big game, and if you don't like the team, then you don't want to pull the trigger. Today, we're keeping it really simple. I'm about to drop a trade that could be a game changer. First, I'm going to break down why I'm bullish on this stock. No fluff, just facts. Then we're diving into the trade step by step. You want to copy it? Go for it. If you like this no-nonsense style, hit that like button and let's get into it. Our stock today is ONON Shoes, and ONON, or ticker ONON, is a flat-out cash cow disguised as a Swiss shoe company. They've cracked the code on what runners really want, shoes that feel like walking on clouds without the angel wings. Their cloud tech is pure gold. It's not just about selling shoes, it's about creating a lifestyle brand that's as addictive as crack cocaine. And let's not forget their eco-friendly angle. This is a bonus that makes them look good without costing them a dime in marketing. ONON is cultivating a strong repeat customer base. Their focus on product quality and innovation keeps customers coming back for more. And let's not forget the power of celebrity endorsements. Having a global icon like Roger Federer associated with the brand is a game changer. It solidifies ONON's position as a premium athletic brand. Here are 6 reasons why I'm bullish on ONON shoes. Number 1 is explosive revenue growth. ONON's net sales jumped 20.9% in Q1 of 2024 to $570 million. That's a whopping 29.2% increase. Number 2, crushing DTC success. The direct-to-consumer sales channel surged 39% to $213 million. High margins and strong customer loyalty. Number 3 is global sales powerhouse. Sales in the Americas rose 22% to $369 million, and Asia Pacific skyrocketed 68.6% to $59 million. This is diversified growth worldwide. Number 4 is unmatched profitability. Gross profit climbed 23.9% to $340 million with margins at 59.7%. Net income more than doubled to $102 million, boosting the net income margin to 18%. Number 5, they're a financial fortress. Cash and cash equivalents increased by 18.2% to $655 million, with net working capital at $630 million. Financially strong and definitely ready for more growth. And number 6, one of my favorites, is revenue growth. ON is projected to grow a massive 28.3% in the next year. That's crazy. Meanwhile, Nike's numbers are looking kind of rough with a negative 4.7% forecast. Huge difference, right? ONON is a powerhouse with explosive growth, crushing direct-to-consumer sales, global reach, unmatched profitability, and rock-solid financial health. The reason being bullish on a stock is important is because the trade I'm showing you today is called a cash secured put, and in a worst case scenario, we end up buying the stock at a discounted price compared to today's price. And cash secured puts are really easy. A cash secured put is like placing a bid on a stock. You sell the right for someone else to sell you shares at a specific price, and that's called the strike price, by a certain date. In return, you get a premium. That's real money. If the stock price drops below your strike price, you're obligated to buy the shares at that price. But hey, you get to buy it at a discount compared to the current price. Plus, you kept the option premium. Next, let's jump into the charts because we need to make sure the technicals are on our side. We're now looking at the charts, and the ticker symbol is ONON, and we can see for ONON in 1 week they're actually up 5.4%, over 6 months 52%, and over 2 years 85%. And then coming on over at the charts, we can see they're in a steady upward trend. And looking at my indicators here, we've got the momentum dream indicator, and if we look at that, the biggest moves typically come whenever it's near the 0 line. Right here we had a momentum squeeze squeeze and it shot up. Another momentum squeeze right here and it shot up, and you can see we're right near the zero line as well. And then on the bottom buy sell indicator, our short-term trend is bullish and we are in a buy zone, and we just picked up a buy signal. So all things said, I like the setup. We also have very good support right around here at $37.23. Now let's jump over to look at the options, and specifically we want to look at the puts. So right now we're going to be looking at the August 9th. The right hand side of the screen are the puts, and we want to come down to the $39 one. That's the one that I'm recommending right now, and we can see that's got a delta of negative 0.3. The probability that it's in the money is 32.47%. And then we've got a bid and an ask. The bid is $45 per contract, or 45 cents per share. The ask is $62 per contract, and the last contract went through at 0.56. So these are the numbers we're going to use on my option analyzer next. So just pause the screen and go over this if you like. We're going to jump over now to beast mode analysis, and this is my website where you can do side-by-side fundamental analysis. I show it in my videos frequently, so check it out if you're interested. But the part we want to look at today is going to be the option analyzer, and this is absolutely free for everybody. So let's go over the option that I bought yesterday first. Our stock is ONON, and we put the stock ticker symbol right here. Our wheel step is number 1, and we want to sell an OTM put, and we want a probability that's about 30%, and that's going to be a delta that is a negative 0.3. Our days out, I did this trade yesterday, so it was 8 days out. The number of shares, we're going to say I just did one contract, so that would be 100 shares, even though I did a bigger amount. And then the share cost or put strike is going to be $40. That's the one that we sold. The credit or share price. So I received a credit of 60 cents per share, or $60 per contract. The probability that this is in the money is 33%. Our delta worked out to be a negative 0.3. So I will receive a total of $60 per contract, and this is what we're really looking at. The annualized ROI on this, if I am not put the stock, is 68.4%, and then our expiration date is going to be next Friday, which is August 9th. Now, the one that I'm recommending, because the market's changed quite a bit yesterday for you, would be the ONON, and instead of going with the $40 strike price, drop down to the $39 strike price. You're going to pick up a credit of 56 cents per share, and check this out, your annualized ROI on this, because it's only 7 days where mine was actually 8 days, is going to be 74.9%, and then everything is tracked for you here. If you end up buying the stock, you put it here, and then you can turn around, add more, you can sell the covered call, and it will track your entire wheel strategy. But what's really important is whenever you're doing options is know what your annualized ROI is. And if you like that annualized ROI, then you can definitely consider doing the trade. And my general goal is I want an annualized ROI of 30% or higher, and 68.4%, 74.9%. These definitely cut the mustard. In fact, I might sell one of these today as well.
All right, so today we broke down On Running, a total cash cow with insane growth. We talked about why I'm bullish, and then I showed you how to set up a cash secured put to potentially make a killing. We're either walking away with that nice annualized ROI in 1 week, or we're buying On Running shoes at a discount. Either way, it's most likely we're pocketing that option money, but hey, owning this stock wouldn't be the worst thing. Let me know what you think in the comments below. So why is this trade golden? Yesterday was a market massacre. Everything got hammered. Even my cash secured put on Running took a hit. But here's the kicker, I'm still in the green. That's the beauty of this strategy. It's like having a parachute when the market's skydiving. Now, let me tell you something. There's no shortage of gurus out there screaming about the end of the world. They're cashing in on fear, peddling their doom and gloom, but that's not my style. I'm here to teach you how to make money no matter which way the market's going. That's what separates the men from the boys, the players from the pawns. This strategy, it's a golden goose. It's like having a safety net when the market's a free fall. I'm more interested in practical strategies that work no matter what the market's doing, and this is one of them if you choose your stocks wisely. It's about taking control of your finances, not just hoping for the best. All right, we just dropped some serious knowledge for On Running and how to potentially make bank. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, it's about smart money moves. I drop videos like this 3 times a week, so if you want to level up your game, hit that subscribe button. And do you want to score free stocks and stay in the loop on fire trades? Check out the links below and join my Patreon family. It's all about building that financial empire one smart move at a time. Keep it real, and I'll see you in the next video.